Hello, this is a video for Tuesday, October 6th. You come down here to day 2, October 6th. That is our folder for today. Let's start with the sync. So all we have here is our agenda for the Zoom meeting. Open this up. And so the main things we're doing today is we're going to start talking about topic sentences. And we're going to watch this video here. If you click on this link, it opens up the video. And then we will do an activity together where we connect the topic to the main point. And this link here takes you to the website where you can do that activity. Then we're going to do some small groups where we do some inference activities. We're going to read some dialogues with a partner and find out what inferences we can make from those dialogues. So you click here, this is the link that takes you to the dialogues. Okay, so you can look through here and see them. And then there's a graphic organizer that you will make in your notebook. This is what it should look like. Okay, so you are going to write this in your notebook and then fill in these blank spaces as we do the activity. Okay, so that is the sync. Then for the async on Tuesday, we have 5 kind of short activities. Okay, so the first one is that all these activities are based around a text. So the first step is pre-reading vocabulary. So you look at this and it's a quiz about the vocabulary words in the text. Okay, so you do this quiz and then when you're finished, you will, let me see if I can go back here. So when you're finished with the quiz on the vocabulary, you come here. This is the text. So you read here, this is the text that we're going to use for the async activities. It's about Dr. Cesar Cruz. And we've already looked at the vocabulary before we start reading. Then the next is another vocabulary activity. This is after you read. Okay, so it's an activity that involves, they give you the definition and you have to pick which is the correct word. So that's how this activity works. Then we come back to the async. This is another vocabulary activity. Okay, let's look at the preview. So the way this activity, again, they give you the definition and you have to pick the correct word. And we have one last async activity. This is part of, it's in our textbooks, Future Advanced, page 15. Okay, so we have the text here. So we're going to do page 15, part B. When you are finished, you will post a photo of your work in the discussion below. So this is part B, and these are the answers you can pick from. Okay, so here's number 1, here's number 2, 3, 4, 5. So for each one, you pick A, B, or C. Okay, so for example, for this one, for 2, you have to go back to the text and look at paragraph 2 and decide what is the main idea for paragraph 2. Is it A, B, or C? Okay, so when you make your post, you're going to write number 1 and then an answer, number 2 and then an answer, number 3 and then an answer, all the way down to 4 and 5. And I don't know if these are the answers, I'm just giving you an example. And when you're finished, you're going to press post. Okay, so all of these activities are about this one text about Dr. Cesar Cruz. If you have the book, you can look on page 15. If you don't, it is right here on the Schoology page. Okay, so those are the activities, sync and async for Tuesday, October 6th. Good luck and enjoy.